Good morning, dear students. Myself, Dr. Sridhar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Gokak. Due to the attack of COVID-19, the government has ordered to take online classes for BSc first and third semester. So here I am taking the class for BSc first semester students. So first we shall discuss about the syllabus. Okay, so from this year 2020-21, the syllabus for the BSc first semester has been changed. Okay, so and it is according to CBCS, and in this semester, in this first semester, you are going to study one theory paper of mathematics and one practical paper. Earlier you have two papers, theory papers, each carrying 80 marks, and two internals, each carrying 20 marks. Okay, but now you are going to have only one paper, theory paper of 80 marks, and one practical. So here in this theory paper, you are going to have the paper code is MAT DST 1.1, and the teaching hours 4 hours per week. Teaching total hours is 60 hours. Paper title Algebra 1 and Calculus 1, and marks theory 80 marks plus IA 20 marks. Okay. So in this semester, the first unit 1, it is about matrices and determinants. So in this unit you are going to study recapitulation of matrices, symmetric matrices and skew symmetric matrices, elementary transformations, rank of a matrix, reduction to normal form, inverse of a matrix by elementary transformations, solution of system of linear equations. Next, determinants, expansion of determinant of fourth order, reciprocal determinants, symmetric and skew symmetric determinants. So these are all you are going to study in unit 1. Next, unit 2. In this unit, real number system. So in this properties of real number system, inequalities and absolute values, LUB means least upper bound, and GLB, that is greatest lower bound, and Archimedean properties of real numbers. Next comes limits and continuity. Here recapitulation of limits and continuity, algebra of limits. Next, properties of continuous functions, boundedness of continuous functions. So all this unit 2 requires 12 hours to complete. Okay, next is unit 3. In this you are going to study intermediate value theorem, Borel covering theorem, uniform continuity, L'Hospital's rule, indeterminate forms, 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 to the power of 0, 1 to the power of infinity, and infinity to the power of 0. Next, unit 4. In this unit 4, you are going to study higher order derivatives. The nth derivative of ax plus b whole raised to n, nth derivative of 1 by ax plus b, nth derivative of log of ax plus b, nth derivative of e raised to ax plus b, nth derivative of sine of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b, then e raised to ax sine of bx plus c, and e raised to ax cos of bx plus c, then Leibniz rule for nth derivative of a product. Next, unit 5, you are having mean value theorems. In that, Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, Cauchy's mean value theorem, Taylor's theorem, then Maclaurin's series. So all these units you are going to study in this first semester of BSc. And the books for reference. So these are the books required for this semester. So differential calculus by Shantinarayan Mittal, mathematical analysis Shantinarayan, first course in real analysis by M.K. Singhal and Asharani, next textbook of BSc mathematics by G.K. Ranganath, matrices and determinants then by M.L. Khanna. So these are the books for the reference. Okay, so this is about theory paper. Next, you are having one practical paper. You are having practicals in mathematics. So here the practical mathematics, it is 3 hours per week. Then paper title practicals 1. Now in this practical you are going to study computation of sum, difference and product of two matrices. So next, computation of trace and transpose of matrices. Next, computation of a rank of a matrix and a row reduced echelon form. Next, computation of inverse of a matrix using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Solution of system of homogeneous and non-homogeneous equations. Finding nth derivative of e raised to ax. Trigonometric and hyperbolic functions. Next, finding nth derivative of algebraic functions and logarithmic functions. Next, finding nth derivative of e raised to ax sine of ax plus b and e raised to ax cos of ax plus b. Next, 9th experiment you have examples on Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's and Cauchy's mean value theorem. Next, 10th experiment you are having Taylor's and Maclaurin's series expansion of a given functions. So all these calculations you have to do using computer, that is using Scilab and Maxima or commands. There is one program for calculation of mathematics that is used to calculate mathematical calculation, used for mathematical calculations, and that is known as Scilab. So we use this Scilab and we use the commands of Scilab to calculate all these problems. Okay, so this is for the BSc first semester syllabus. Okay, so in the next class, from the next class onwards, we start with matrices and determinants. So all students, I think all of you are having smartphones and all that, and daily regularly check your WhatsApp group, and we are sending videos related to your syllabus. Okay, and if you have any doubts, then write in a WhatsApp group or mention in a WhatsApp group that you are not understanding or something, that whatever it may be, then we will send the solution of that again by making a video and all that. Okay, thank you.